United 325, contact departure.
Yeah, 325, switch it. And tower. Hey, tower, United 325. We're gonna possibly have to come back to you. We're working a shoot here.
325, Roger. You want to stay in the tower pattern or go to approach?
And then let you know.
United 325, we're with you. We have a number 2 engine GT overheat. The engine's running fine. Well, we're probably going to have to go back to Bradley. I got to make a couple of calls here.
No problem. United 325, just maintain 4,000. Fly heading 020. I'll keep in play for the visual runway 24.
Okay, 4,020 heading United 325. We'll be back with you in a sec.
United 325, just want to confirm you are not declaring an emergency at this time, correct?
Not this United 325.
Thank you.
American 1975, Bradley Tower, turn right heading 280, runway 24, clear for takeoff.
Right turn 280, clear for takeoff 24, American 1975.
And tower, JetBlue 43533.
JetBlue 533, Bradley Tower, turn right heading 280.
Heading up we're heading up 238, but there's some debris on the runway. I don't know if it's on the aircraft in front of us, which is on the runway near to the center line.
American 1975, cancel takeoff clearance, runway 24, line up and wait, no traffic inbound.
Copy that, cancel takeoff clearance, line up and wait for 24, American 1975.
JetBlue 533, do you have any damage to your aircraft?
Oh, negative for JetBlue 533.
533, Roger, turn right heading 280, then contact departure.
Alright, right turn heading 280 to departure. You have a good morning.
State 5, are you able to squeak around the American that will be holding a position on the runway? We just got a report of debris on, I would say, the last third of runway 24, if you're able to check that out before I launch this next departure. American 1975, especially with that last report that we got from United, I just want to check this out and make sure everything's okay before we get you going.
Oh, yeah, we appreciate that. We want to make sure the runway is clear for us as well. Thank you. We'll wait here.
United 325, I know you guys are still working out an issue. They did find aircraft parts on runway 24, so just a heads up for you as you guys are working out that. And runway 24 is currently closed. The state is working on cleaning up debris.
We are planning to come back to the field. How long do you think that's going to be?
Stand by, I'll get an update right now.
Tower, we're going to be a few minutes. There's some large pieces out here.
State 5, Roger, do you have an estimate of how much time you need just so I can let approach know?
I don't, half an hour.
Roger, I'll let them know.
5, just hearing that it's going to be about 30 minutes for the long runway 24 to open up, but they are going to keep runway 1533 open. So if you need the long runway, it'll be a little bit while they clean everything up, take pictures and stuff. If you want the short runway and you want to land as soon as possible, that will stay open.
Okay, any idea what the debris is? Was it high?
Get right back to you.
Just curious, what's it look like?
Yeah, I'd rather not say over the frequency.
Okie doke.
And approach United 25, just to make this official, we are declaring an emergency.
United 325, understanding you're declaring an emergency. Thank you. And when you are able, fuel remaining and persons on board, please.
129 souls on board. We have 5 hours and 20 minutes of fuel on board. Everything's running fine. The engine is within parameters, and we're way over landing weight, so we're not in a huge hurry to come back there. But we'll keep you posted on what we're doing.
United 25, so you're way over landing weight. And again, the number of persons on board, and what are your intentions?
Look, it's 229 souls on board, and the engine's running fine. Everything is normal. But we had an EGT exceedance on number 2, and we're curious what debris is on the runway. We don't know if we hit a bird or a slight up right at V1, a swerve or anything, but we might have taken a bird down.
United 325, okay, thank you. And I'm just going to give you some delay vectors just to burn some weight. We'll keep you for runway 24 if you need some time. We are waiting on confirmation of what type of debris it is.
Okay, yeah, we'd like to know what type of impact, lose the tire. Let us know what your detectors, but we can land overweight, that's not a problem. We just have to have data for it, which we can get, but yeah, we'll keep you posted when we're ready.
United 325, okay, so that sounds good. United 325, tower did just get back to us. On the runway, there are no markings on the sheet metal, so they can't identify where it came from. Also runway.
American 1975, thank you. Turn right heading 280, then contact departure. Have a great day.
Right turn 280 degrees for American 1975. Everything okay with our United guys?
We'll find out momentarily. They're heading back to Bradley.
All right, thank you. 280 and we're going over to departure. Good luck today.
Thank you.
Approach United 325. We'd like to go ahead and have the equipment standing by for our arrival.
United 325, they will be standing by.
Roger, thank you.
Approach United 325 is ready to come in for the approach.
United 325, roger, turn left heading 040.
Left heading 0, Unit 325.
United 325, they just found some more debris on the departure end, so it's going to be runway 15 if you're ready to come inbound now to runway 15. Unless you want runway 33, the winds right now are 230 at 3.
In case by chance we're missing a tire.
Okay, no problem, United 325. Did you want to do a low pass over runway 24 just to have the tower check it out?
No, that's highly discouraged by the company, so we prefer not to do that. But let us know when 24 is open. Like I said, we have a perfectly good plane. We have a little bit of an EGT exceedance on engine time, so just let us know when 24 is open. And another reason I want to land on the long runways, we are about 10,000 pounds, 12,000 pounds over max landing weight.
United 325, understand. And just want to confirm, engine 1 is okay?
Yeah, engine 1's fine, and engine 2 is fine. It just had a little bit of an EGT exceedance, but it's operating within limits right now.
United 325, understood. Okay, I'm going to keep you in play for the long runway. I'll pass along any updates. I'll just turn left, heading of 200.
Left 200, United 325.
You got it. United 325, the state did do their pass on runway 624. They just said they found small pieces of sheet metal on the departure end. Again, no significant markings to identify. They also did not find any rubber, any wheels. The runway did open, so when you're ready, you can expect a visual approach runway 24.
Okay, appreciate all that info, and we are ready to approach United 325.
United 325, roger, expect a visual approach runway 24. I'll set you up on maybe a 10-mile left base to funnel on the localizer if that works for you.
That works, appreciate it.
United 325, nice job. Cleared visual approach runway 24, contact tower 120.3.
United 325, cleared runway 24 and over tower. Thanks for the help.
You got it.
Tower United 325 is visual runway 24.
United 325, the tower, wind 220 at 4, runway 24, clear land.
Clear land, runway 2325.
United 325, Bradley Tower, say intention.
Yeah, 325, let's call the company. We're going to go back to a gate. We'll give you a call back.
United 325, roger.
If airport ops could save that sheet metal for us, please, we'll want our maintenance folks to look at that and see what that is.
325, roger. And be advised that it appeared from here that something else seemed to be falling from the aircraft as well, just left of the center line at the intersection of runway 24 and 15. I just want to make sure you're okay to taxi to the gate.
Good copy. I kind of missed what you said there, actually, but right now everything looks good as far as our engines and everything, so it looks like we are good to taxi to the gate.
United 325, roger. Remain this frequency, taxi via Charlie Sierra to the ramp. The emergency vehicles will be following you in, and we'll let them know about the fog.
Copy that. Can you just say, so you saw something fall off as when we landed?
Affirmative. It appears something on, it was actually the right side of the aircraft, so it's just right of the center line right now at the intersection of runway 6 and 24. We'll collect that as well.
Okay, Charlie Sierra to the gate. Do you know what gate we're using today? Back.
And Tower United 325, we're going to stop right here. If rescue can come over and take a look at the number 2 engine on the right side of the aircraft and see what they see.
United 325, affirmative. We'll go right now.
Can I talk to them?
Change the ground frequency 121.9er. He's in contact with all of them.
Okay, switching over. Rescue, United 325, you copy?
United 325, go.
If you could take a look at the number 2 engine on the right side of the airplane, the tower said they saw some debris fall off as we went through the intersection of 1-5.
Alright, roger that. We're off your right side. We're going to send 2 people out to do a visual inspection. Are you down to idle?
I got you in sight. We're at idle and parking brake is set. We'll stay in this configuration until you tell us otherwise.
Will do, sir. Thank you.